What is a composite beam? In our daily life, we come across different types of objects. Like for example, at home, we get to see a wooden floor. Wooden door, shelves, plastic-coated pipes, etc. At the construction site, we get to see a concrete beam and column. When we look at a car, we get to see its different parts like body kit, windscreen, etc. Disc brake, and when we look at an aircraft, we can see that each of its part is made up of different materials. So, what is common in all these objects? As we can see, each of these objects is made up of two or more materials. Such material, which is made from two or more materials, is known as composite material. And the beam formed by such material is known as a composite beam. Thus, composite beam is a beam formed by two or more materials. Now, if we apply bending moment on this composite beam, we see that the beam bends, due to which its upper fibers experience compression, while its lower fibers experience tension. Thus, compressive and tensile stresses develop on its upper and lower fibers respectively. The stress distribution in this beam will be: the stress induced in material 1 is given by, and the stress induced in material 2 is given by, where M is the bending moment applied on the composite beam, E1 the modulus of elasticity of material 1, E2 the modulus of elasticity of material 2, I1 the moment of inertia of material 1 about the neutral axis, I2 the moment of inertia of material 2 about the neutral axis, and Y the distance of any fiber from the neutral fiber. The related term is
Question. Remember keywords.
The related term is
Remember diagram. Remember definition.